What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Alright, on today's video I will teach you a basic choreography. So this is for beginners. So this is 8/8 choreography. The title of the song is called Peaches by Justin Bieber. Alright, let's start. Alright, let's start from the beginning. Alright, clarification for still have time. Alright. So it goes like this. Step to your right. Right. Right, left, and 3 and 4. So your isolation, remember. 4, 7, and right, left, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, close on 7, look center on 8. One more time. 6, 7, and right, left, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, next. 7, 8. You're gonna go front. 1, 2, 3, and close on 4. Wait. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, I think my count is wrong. Anyway, we go like this. 7 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the beginning. So 5, 6, 7 to 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's the right counting. Alright, next we're gonna go move back 1 and 2. Don't forget to point. I see you. 6, 7, and 1 and 2. Chest 3, 4. Then we'll change from 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. 6, 7, back, open 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this one, you're gonna do slowly. Next, chest 1, 2, 2 hand, 3 and 4, 5, 6, push and 8. Got it? One more time that part. 6, 7, and 1, 2, double, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Let's go on. Right first. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. With the hand. 1, 2, 3 and down. Together. 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Then change. 5 and 6. Throw it. Give me a wall. And 8. One more time. 6, 7, and go right, left, overhead, down, change front, down, throw it, walk. Let's start from the beginning. So 5, 6, slowly, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, look, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back, 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, 6, 7, 8, chest, 1, 2, body, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, here we go, 1, 2, overhead, 4, change, 5, and 6, and 8. Copy? Next. Alright, last 8. Last 8, you're gonna go 1 and 2. Push 3 and 4. Just going down. 5, 6, stay, look down, another 8. One more time. 7, 8, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Then you're gonna go 5, 6, down, and 8. Yes. Then you just repeat this one from the beginning. That's all the choreography. Let's try from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, wait, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, throw, 8, 6, 2, 3, 4, going down, 6, 7, repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, until here. Okay, yeah, good job. Now let's try music. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on my video. And if you have suggestions of the songs that you want me to do, sexy, it's either sexy, contemporary, or hip-hop, please leave the suggestion in the comment section. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.